Hey guys, for those of you who don't know, my name is Sean Jones. I graduated from DePaul in 2012, and I was a part of two county championship teams. We're the only team to win back-to-back county championships in the history of DePaul, so that's something that's always stuck with me as a player. Coach Z wanted me to reach out and talk to you guys a little bit about how it felt to play on those teams and how it felt to play as a Spartan. When I was a junior, I didn't know what to expect. Coach Z was only an assistant coach, but I got to know him pretty well and learned that he was a good coach, good guy, and I was able to gain a lot of knowledge from him. And same thing with Coach Len. Even though he's retired, he's still a good source of knowledge. The first thing that came to my head when I was thinking of playing for the two county championship teams was how much fun it was to play. Every day I showed up for practice or for a game, I always have fun. I never once showed up to a game or a practice where I was just like, man, I really don't want to be here, or man, I really don't like, oh, we were bad, or this and that. Like, I always showed up and was like ready to play and have fun. And one thing that I remember playing as a Spartan was you were expected to work hard. You weren't expected to take the easy route like other guys would or other teams would. Whether it was like when hard work comes from just either working your tail off from the minute you get on the field to the minute you get off the field, to going to the field, taking extra ground balls, fly balls, taking extra hacks in this cage. That's what was expected of us when I played at DePaul. Hard work and extra work. So that's one thing I would definitely suggest to you guys if you want to repeat as county champions this year. Next, I mean, the one thing that I would say for the younger guys who look up to the seniors or the juniors, definitely listen to the seniors this year. Jesse McMullen, you have Joe Cyril, Jimmy Whalen, Travis Bly, and Zach Bernardchik. I'm not sure if he's still playing or not, but those guys played in the county championship when I was still there, and they know how it feels and how much fun it was and what it means to win a county championship. It's something that you will remember for the rest of your life. I still even now, even today, I still think about playing in those games. I can remember everything about those games. That's how much those games meant to me. So it's one thing you definitely want to try and strive towards as a team and work towards. Trust me, you won't regret not playing in it. Other than that, I mean, as playing at DePaul was always fun. It was always exciting and something I always remember. I hope that I can maybe get to a game this year. Other than that, I wish you guys the best of luck. I hope you have a good year, and go Spartans.